Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have some udon. So here's my udon. This is what it came in. So this is the hot and spicy flavor, because as you guys know, I love spicy. So I have changed my studio up a little bit because I just got a new desk. So this is where you're going to see me filming most of the time now. So let's mix this up. Well, actually, first, I'm just going to close my door real quick. Okay. So it has some seaweed, and here's the udon. So udon is a type of noodle. It's not like the ramens I have. So it's just a thicker noodle. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and take first bite. Ooh, they taste pretty good. Still very hot. So this is, you put this in the microwave. Here's the directions. So this is from Myojo. I think that's what it's called. It's not spicy either. It was less spicier than I thought it would be. It's pretty good though. Tastes so good. And to let you guys know, I do have an electrical set that I have. I will show you it in the next video that'll be coming out. So stay tuned for that. I got like more glue. I got more stuff. Uh-oh. I just dropped a noodle right in front of you guys. This tastes really, really, really good. Oh yeah, and so Happy New Year! It's 2020, so tell me what you wanna see this year. So yeah. Another bite. And to let you guys know, I have a mic here. So here's my mic. Because I got it for New Year's. Comment down below what you got for New Year's. Should I do it ASMR? Should I? What do you guys want to see? So, yeah. So for New Year's, I got that electrical set that you guys are going to see in a new video. You guys will see that in the next video. I got a new jacket. I got I also got new headphones, and then also this mic here. It's been a long time since I ever did a mukbang. I just haven't been posting because it's the holidays. It's the weekends, so I already started school again. So these noodles are kind of a little bit too soft. These are a little bit soft, and they're not spicy at all. It's like almost like chili oil. I think that's what the spice is. It's like barely any. It's like sriracha. I like putting sriracha in my pho. It's like, so pho is like a Vietnamese noodles. I just had some of the seaweed. I think it's the seaweed that gives it the flavor. The kelp, or whatever it is. They're kind of hot. Ooh. And after the unboxing in the next video, tell me what you want me to do. So, like, it could be anything. I might add a new series or topic in the playlist. I might add an electricity one, so I have all my electricity stuff. If you guys want to learn more about circuits, because I'm a smarty pants. Have you been watching that? Oh, never mind. Never mind. You guys should try this. It tastes pretty good, but it's not the best thing in the world. I'm almost done. One of my favorite mukbangers is Uni Eats. I like that. You can go check her out She's in the subscription box. Subscriptions. The seaweed keeps getting stuck to the top of my mouth. Eat all the noodles. Oh yeah, I don't know if I told you guys this already, but I got a new desk. And all the stuff is gone. It's just a whole bunch of seaweed. It tastes like soy sauce and seaweed. It barely has a spice. I feel like my cousins who hate spicy food, they even hate like pepper on their wings. Like if you get like honey and pepper or lemon pepper on their wings. If you guys don't remember them, it was Cam and Sophie. Go ahead and watch that video. I also put that at the end. So yeah, I'm actually, hold on, I have finished my soup. So actually I'm just gonna set this aside. And I'm just gonna show you some new stuff that I got. So some new things is I got these new slime mixers. So these are reusable. I can reuse, instead of using a popsicle stick, I got a reusable spoon. I also have more glitter. Here's something I want to show you. It's a whole bunch of new stuff. So there's like times 6 of these slime glues. This is clear glue. Excuse me. So a bunch of slime glues. And then here is some magical liquid. Just like contact solution, I think. Some borax that I got in a kit. Yeah, I also got a new kit. So I got more slimes. I want to show you something really cool. So I have, let's reach under here. I have some new glues here. So they're ELMER'S metallic glue, not sponsored, but also says like great for slime. So it's also, that's what it says. This is great for slime. It's washable, non-toxic. Ooh, sorry. Excuse me. And it's safe. And I got some measuring cups just to play with. And if you guys don't know this is from Becca's vlogs. She goes to my school. It's Becca's vlogs, and so she gave me this. I don't know why. She doesn't even make slime, so she just bought this for me. Shout outs to her. Some other new stuff. Oh, I got some more slimes. I got more slime stuff. Oh, I got them Spider-Man things. I'm just showing you some new stuff I got. And these unicorn charms. And a whole bunch of other stuff like some glow-in-the-dark powder and some neon powder. And it also came with these cute little unicorns. It's like they're very squishy. It's like you can put slime under here and then you can like suck it up and it'll like come out at the bottom. It's pretty cool. I got some new slimes from my cousin. He is subscribed to my channel. He gave me this, so if you're watching, thank you for the slime. So those are the slimes. So all my slimes over here. So yeah, that is the end of my video. So hope you guys love this udon. Go ahead and try it. It tastes really good. And like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Make sure that subscribe button is red, and smash that like button. So hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!